Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Honda Civic front bumper. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a plastic trim removal tool, and a 10mm socket wrench. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother and prevent any unnecessary delays. Ensure your workspace is clear and well lit before you begin. This preparation step is crucial for a successful and easy removal. Next, focus on the upper section of the bumper. You will find several plastic clips holding it in place. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry up the center pin of each clip. Once the pin is raised, you can easily pull out the entire clip. Take your time with each one to avoid breaking them, as they can be reused. This step frees the top edge of the bumper. Now move to the lower and side sections. Use your 10mm socket wrench to unscrew the bolts located underneath the bumper. After that, remove the screws found within each wheel well, connecting the bumper to the fender. With all fasteners removed, gently pull the bumper away from the fender edges. It should detach with a firm but careful tug, releasing it from its mounting points. Finally, before completely removing the bumper, remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for fog lights or sensors. These are usually simple clips that unlatch. Once all wiring is free, carefully lift the bumper away and set it down on a soft, clean surface to prevent scratches. You've successfully removed your front bumper. For those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime, with its glare-free display and long battery life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.